Trying to get a sharp edge on my kitchen knives is just, well, time-consuming and aggravating. There just has to be a better way for me to always have a sharp knife in my kitchen. Good news! We've created a kitchen knife with a blade that is replaceable and interchangeable, disposable and recyclable. It's true, you'll never have to use a dull knife again.
Hi, I'm Matthew, one of the entrepreneurs behind NÜEDGE Knives. I come from a long line of tinkerers and entrepreneurs.
And even though I'm an experienced craftsman and I have more than a dozen sharpening devices in my shop, I never seem to have a sharp knife around the house. So what do we do with a dull knife? Most of us just hack our way through our next slicing assignment, or have our families buy us a new knife as a Christmas or birthday present. This is why the average home has a couple sets of knives and a drawer full of old dull knives. Disposable blades are something we are all familiar with. We regularly use everything from disposable razors to silverware. In my workshop, I have all kinds of tools with disposable blades, like a hacksaw and a utility knife. NÜEDGE knives come with either 3 or 6 interchangeable blades, so you can easily replace your blade when it gets dull. The essential set comes with a chef's blade, a slicing blade, and a Santoku-style dicing blade. To replace your blade, all you have to do is push this button, carefully remove the dull blade, and pop in a new one. Just like that, you get back to food prepping. No need to purchase a new set of knives, and no need to try and sharpen them yourself. No mailing your knives into some factory in Timbuktu for sharpening and waiting weeks to get them returned. And no waiting until good old Uncle Bob can get around to sharpening your knives for you.
I got it!
Not happy with your NÜEDGE knife for some reason? Just return it within 60 days. Our products also come with a 1-year warranty.
I know I am unknown to most of you, but I really want to earn your trust. On the page below are some endorsements from friends, co-workers, and even one enemy. Just kidding.
NÜEDGE knives are a quality product manufactured in Yangjiang, China, the knife and scissor manufacturing capital of the world, where there are more than 10,000 factories. Our factory also manufactures knives for Smith & Wesson, a well-known company.
We need your help to bring this product to life.
Our backers will receive one of the first batches of these cutting-edge knives at a below-market price.
Backing this project will give us the necessary funding to make the knife handle molds, the blade dies, and also to make a first production run.
Of 6 successfully funded kitchen knife campaigns on Kickstarter, the average knife price has been $73. Our price is less than 1/2 the average cost other campaigns have charged. The essential NÜEDGE knife comes with 3 replaceable blades. It's like getting 3 knives for the price of 1. We'll even include free shipping within the US, as well as partially subsidized international shipping. Check out the different backer levels, and thanks for helping us make this project a reality.